Ladies and gentlemen, hello. I hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm going to let you know about the latest analysis of the market. And as you know, I start with NASDAQ. But if you are new, don't forget to subscribe my channel due to not missing everyday analysis and sometimes out of regular analysis. I sometimes post for my subscribers like today's great analysis about the Canadian dollar and Japanese yen. All right, but the market we're going to talk about is NASDAQ. And for NASDAQ, as you can see, we had a breakout and I told you that we don't have any downtrend anymore. And you see the market had a kind of, bullish trend, and finally we had a something like a pullback, and the rest of the trend, it's going toward 13,000. But what I see is the resistance of 13,000 on the way. And we might have some reaction to this zone, and what we can say is going to be another, retesting of this zone. And if we want to have the breakout, we can have, from this zone again, and we could go for 14,000, but I guess it's probably too soon to go for 14,000 due to the inflation the world is facing, and we might have consolidating. The price is gonna consolidating among these two, and I don't think that we could go for 14,000 very soon. We might go because we don't have any downtrend anymore, but it takes time. Okay. Now we could go to another item, which is US30 or Dow Jones. For Dow Jones, as you can see, we had some reaction to the midline of this channel. So this channel is very valuable. You can draw the same for yourself. And I love this channel because it works. You see that I draw it from September. And what you see is just a kind of downtrend, as you can see. And what you can see right now is the breakout of the middle line of the channel, pullback, and the rest of the trend. I guess for tomorrow we could see 34,000, as I told you before and in my previous analysis, nothing more. And it can have resistance, this zone, and we might have some reaction between 34,000 to 34,500. This is a kind of supply zone. Now we could go and focus on the other one, which is gold. And gold was bullish today, and finally after long time it was able to break out the line I told you about. And what I see for tomorrow would be maybe a pullback to this zone again, and we might see 1895 soon and 1900. So this zone is the next target for gold we have, but we might have some reactions, and if we have any reaction, I will let you know about it in my next analysis. As I told you, still on my analysis, and I guess this part can be reached soon. For Bitcoin, we have the same analysis, and let me tell you, I told you that when we were here, I told you that we might have the rest of the trading range right now, and at the moment of speaking, you can see between 29,000 and 32. We say sometimes, let me tell you something educational, and just for, education purpose, we have trading range, for example, in this zone, but, they decide to change the zone. For example, they they might, change the zone from this zone and the other zone like this. Let me change the color of them, for example, for you. You can understand it easier like this and like this. At the moment of speaking, the trading range is between these two lines. We should wait to see what will happen for tomorrow. But still, this zone acts as a resistance. What I see for Bitcoin is still trading range and nothing more. But if there is any breakout, in my opinion, it would be from the bottom side. This is my opinion. And Bitcoin is going to touch 20,000 again. But it takes time. For DXY, okay, that's it. And DXY would be explained in the next video, which I'm going to talk about market of FARCs. Have a great time.